Hello and welcome. Today I am going to talk about computer hardware basics. Computer hardware refers to all the physical, touchable parts of a computer. These parts work together to make the computer function. CPU, or Central Processing Unit. The CPU is the brain of the computer. It performs calculations, runs instructions, and controls everything the system does. RAM, or memory, is a random access memory. RAM is the computer's short-term memory. It stores data that the system is actively using, helping programs run faster and better. GPU, or graphics card. The GPU handles graphics and visual processing. It's responsible for gaming, video editing, and anything that requires powerful visuals. SSD, or solid-state drive. An SSD is a fast storage device with no moving parts. It loads your system, apps, and files much faster than traditional drives. It stores the operating system, apps, and files, and improves overall speed. The motherboard. The motherboard is the main circuit board. It connects all the hardware components, and lets them communicate with each other. It contains the CPU socket, RAM slots, and ports. The power supply. The power supply converts electricity from the wall into a safe and usable power for all the computer's components. The cooling system. The cooling system keeps the computer from overheating. It includes fans and heat sinks that remove heat from the components. And now you know all the parts of a computer and how they work. Thank you for watching till the end.